What are these things called? Like colossal shrimp?
Colossal shrimp.
Yeah. I'm real surprised they're maintaining the color under the shell.
Yeah, it's a good thing we didn't cook it with that in there.
Yep. So it's got a little bit of a mud vein going on. Man, look how giant these things are. Wow.
I need a little soap.
My hand cleaning. Hand cleaning. I'm filming. Might as well. Might be a nice little quick little video. Never cooked these before. This is the first. This phone's a little glitchy. Yeah, it's when I move this camera, it gets like really. It don't like moving. It likes to be sitting in one spot. Right now I'm on your hands.
Actually look pretty cute, so it don't matter.
Huh?
I said I actually look pretty cute, so it don't matter.
Butter time?
Yep. I don't know if that's much butter. Somebody's here. I'm excited.
I think it needs more liquid.
No, it's just leave it alone.
Okay. Probably a
It
lid.
needs a little more heat. Don't liquid it. Just leave it alone.
Okay.
I know what I'm doing. I can cook shrimp.
Yeah. I've never seen. That's like the size of a lobster tail. I've never seen anything like that. Yeah.
The lobster tails were smaller than that.
Yeah,
I was like, what?
We were like, what?
And then when I went back today, and these were only $5.99 a pound, and these two just cost $5.99. I'm like, that's a whole meal.
Alright, it's time to eat. I'm ready. Ooh, this stuff sure looks good. Oh, wish you guys could smell this. Oh, oh, that's tasty. Tastes very sweet, very good. Well, all right, that's the end of our video. Until next time, later, y'all.